Uh, so, for example, when you go to your college LMS, that is a M course, the student has to first sign in. Okay, student will first sign in using the credential. Now, question may come that few of you are yet not registered, or a few of you might have registered. So, in that case, your college or student section or admin will register you in this course. So, once you are registered, you have to click on E Logbook. Okay, you have to click on E Logbook. So once student click on E Logbook, there are two things you can see. One is a view and second is add competency. So if this is the first time, you have to just click add competency. So once you add, these things will appear. I hope this is visible to all of you. You can just put yes in the chat box if it is visible and I am audible. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. So student has to select the course. Right now I'm selecting demo course. Similarly, they have to select a subject and the competency which is given by a college. See, except in few departments, for example, Department of Pathology, Department of Microbiology, if we look at the guideline given by NMC, so this is an NMC guideline of pharmac, patho and micro. Okay, so here if you look at the pathology guideline, so there are only few departments which has such competency as well as a skill. So here, if you look at this table, in pathology, they have well-defined competency and below that there is an objective. And here also they have written how to do it, how they should do independently, under supervision. Okay, so this is mentioned. So same will be uploaded by the faculty or admin department on the E Logbook. So once a student is there, what he will do? He will select here the competency, and according to the competency, skill will appear here. Now, question comes to many department other than patho, micro, that what to do? We don't have a defined competency. So for that, there is a single competency which we have created. There is an E Logbook, and these are the skills, which is nothing but a title which we are usually using in our index page of hard copy of E Logbook. Okay, so for example, conference, workshop, training attended in E Logbook. And as these are the options: observed, assisted, done under supervision, or done independently. So if you have attended only, you can write observed. And how many times? So once. Now, why this is how many times coming here? Because if we look at the guideline, again, we are going towards the NMC guideline. So NMC guideline says that postgraduate student of broad specialty and super specialty shall maintain a dynamic E Logbook which need to be updated on the weekly basis. Okay, and it should be authenticated monthly by the guide. And so here the option is this week to this week. For example, I am taking June 23rd to June 29. Okay, so what I did, I have attended one conference. Which conference? So I will say workshop on E Logbook. Okay, if I want to upload any photograph or anything, I can upload here, not compulsory. For example, I have done presented a paper, so I want to upload the PDF of that paper, so I will just upload that paper. And during the discussion, is there any feedback received? That you can write yes or no. And lastly, what you learn? I learned how to use E Logbook. Okay, so only this much student has to write, and they just have to click on submit button. Okay, clear to all the students? So only this much is the student's role to submit everything. So if you want to add something else, again you have to click on add competency. Now what will happen? Most of the time you all are going to use a mobile. Am I right? You will open this link in your mobile and you will upload everything, because every time you will not have your tablet or a desktop. So there are chances of error. Now by mistake, I have uploaded wrong. So what to do? I will just select my course and subject and click on view button. So you can see here, this is the problem. I should not have written like this. So on this side, can you see the last column? There is edit button is there. Okay, edit button is there. So you can click edit. Let me correct the spelling. Okay, on E Logbook, and I will submit. Now, if you look at the other place, I will again show you. Edit button is only available here. It is not available below this logbook. Why? Because it is verified by the teacher. Okay. So this is regarding how PG student need to enter their competency or their work. Clear? Now, once it is done, we will go to the teacher side. So this is the teacher side. We are going to the logbook. Again, you will select basically two things, course and subject. Now, if you want to select any particular student, you can select student, or if you want to see everyone, so you can select everyone's. Okay, these all are not compulsory, but these two are the compulsory, course and subject. So once you click here, you have to click view. Okay, now here is the option that first repeat or remedial. So from where this came? So again, it came from the logbook guideline of NMC. Okay, as you know, this is a guideline of NMC. So based on that, this came. So first and only, is it below expectation, meets expectation, or exceed expectation, or completed? Okay. And if I want to give some remark, I can give remark. Okay, that's very good. Okay, and teacher will click submit here. Now for teacher, most of the time, the question is that one teacher may have 5 students. Now 5 students has done multiple activity throughout the month. Okay, and during whole month, the one teacher will get 100 to 200 entry. Now, if every time I will select this, then teacher will go mad. How many times I will do this? So what option is available here? That on this side, can you see? Let me reduce the, so you will be able to see. Can you see this one? Select. Are you able to see? Okay, let me enlarge again. Can you see this? For specifically for teachers. Yes, so you can select all the entry and just click on verify. So once you click on verify, all the entry which are available will be verified. But now you think that here I want that he should do it again. So in that case, teacher can go here, click on edit button and simply choose from this to repeat. This is first, below expectation, and do the repeat. Okay, and here I can write, please do again. Okay, so this is from teacher side. This much is clear. Any question to any student or any faculty?
Sir, can you hear us?
Yes, yes.
Sir, we understood what you just described, sir, but can you please tell us how to access this page and what are our login credentials, etc.?
So login credential will be provided by the admin of the college. So when your admin of the college will be able to provide you, because the admin has to upload let me show you here that admin has to upload all the teachers detail here as well as all the student detail, and then the student will be enrolled to the course and teacher will be also enrolled to the course. So it is the student section or admin department will give you the ID password for the same.
Okay,
And so
sir.
once you get it,
Yes.
yeah, so let me sign out from the teacher side. Here you have to select the teacher and here you have to put your credential and then sign in. Okay, so I think both link again will be provided you by the admin to you. Okay, so I'm just clicking right now. Now, one more thing, that once every entry has been done by the student and now student want that by this is online and I want the PDF of the same or I want to get it printed. So he can just click on here print button. So he will get everything with the certificate that this is the logbook, whose logbook is there, roll number, college and everything. College logo will appear here and you can get it printed. Secondly, there is a summary that how many things as we have seen in this pathology that independently there is something which has to perform under supervision. Okay, so you will be able to see here in the summary that how many things you have observed, how many things you have assisted, how many things done under supervision, and how many things you have done independently. And again, you can get print of the same. Okay, and you can see here weekly detail is available. Okay, next. Now at the end of year, so this is specifically for the faculty. At the end of 3 year, we have to do scoring. Again, we go to this guideline and go to the last page. A student appraisal form for a broad specialty, non-clinical discipline. Similarly, in clinical also they have written clinical discipline. So what student teacher will do? Teacher will go here, will put logbook scoring at the end of 3 year. Okay, we'll select the course, we'll select the subject and select the student. Okay, so this is the scoring. If I want to add, I will click on add logbook scoring. Again, I will select the course, select the subject, select the student and click on view. So here you can see that is this 6, I can keep to 9, I can keep this 3. So when this is 9, I will write very good. Okay, if it is 1, needs improvement, for example. But this is to be done at the end of 3 year. Okay, and I will click on the submit button. Now where student will be able to see it? They will be able to see here in the view score button. Okay, so this is the detail, these are the score and these are the comment. Again, this also can be printed. Okay, and below there will be signature of assign SSC, me student, signature of teacher. Both will come at the below. Okay, so I think this is all about how to use E Logbook in this M course platform. Any question to anyone?
Hello, sir. I am Dr.
Yes.
Biren Parikh from the LV Hospital, Narendra Modi
Yes,
Medical
sir.
College. Sir,
Yes,
besides
sir.
this competency entry, is there any provision for the CME or workshop attendance or seminars or periodic evaluation and for the assessment?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good question, sir. So I am putting here again. So see, this is the place for taking a periodic test. So if you are taking periodic test in the form of MCQ, you can take it here. And if you are taking in the form of hard copy assignment, you can put it here. One more thing that you don't want to upload, you just only want to upload the mark. So there is an option on the teacher side to upload in any offline mark. Okay, here you can upload any offline assessment which you have done, which will be reflected to the teacher on result side. Okay, here it will be reflected. That whatever you want to do, test, offline mark, class attendance, this all can be uploaded here as per the need. Right now, we have focused on the E Logbook because it was a must thing, but yes, you can do it here. Now, if you want to add competency, for example, something is already there, but you want to add as a teacher. So here you can simply select competency. For example, I want to add one competency in this subject. Okay, in the same subject. So I am selecting a course subject and I want to add the competency. I am putting competency name is clinical examination. So that is the competency I want to add. So I can do that and I can just submit. Now, when you create any competency, there will be a skill aligned with that competency. So again, I have to upload the skill. So if there is only one skill under that competency, I will select from here course, subject, in which competency I want to add clinical examination. And a skill is daily clinical examination. And I will submit. So same will be reflected on the student side. Okay, now there is one more thing that certain department wants that we don't want everything on the E Logbook, but we want to keep the record of what we have done. Okay, so there is something different than E Logbook is also available, which is known as daily logbook. We don't want to enter everything in that E Logbook, but daily what we have done, I want to add. So here you can click on add daily logbook. Only this much thing will appear. Subject, name, what you have done. For example, I have done poster presentation, or let me put seminar. On which date I have done? I did it on 3rd. Okay, and I will click on the submit button. It is done. Again, it can be verified by the teacher. Same way as we have discussed there. View, things will appear here. Select all and verify. Okay, so now it's up to the department to decide what things they want to put in this detailed logbook and what they want in the daily logbook. Again, here, as I said, in that we can have a details of course, subject, and we can select any of the activity, for example, seminar, view. Okay, I can see the detail here and I can take it print also. Okay, any questions to anyone?
From which batch it will apply?
Ideally, as per the NMC, the present 2023 batch we have started. So they can
The
once
exam
they have
going
to.
batch, exam going batch which is in 2024.
No.
Okay,
No
sir.
to 21, no to 22, only 23 batch. Because exam going batch has already completed the logbook.
Okay, sir.
Personal cost થાય કે institute level
સાહેબ અવાજ ધીમો આવે છે બિરેન સર.
What is the approximate cost of this platform? And is it possible for the for individual department, or can it be done only on the institutional base?
It will be basically good if the institute take part in this, because there must be a uniformity throughout the department, because NMC will not know the department. NMC will only understand the institute. So so we have purchased it from Aziptech. I can just share you the website link. We'll share you the number. Let me. Meanwhile, any other questions to anyone? Yes, any PG student has any query or any faculty?
Sir, is this is only for postgraduate now at present or for UGs also?
No, we can use it for everyone, madam, because what we have created, let me show you. As I said, same can be used for interns also, and same can be used for UG also. Because for UG also, same things are, guideline is only same, so you can use it.
Sir, is it mandatory for UG or only for PG? It can be done.
At present, mandatory only for PG.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Actually, what happens, madam, that they want that whatever is happening is actually happening at enter date. मैडम आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा था.
Sir, is it what if I miss one day? I forgot to upload it today, or I forgot to update it today. Is it okay, or what should I do?
No,
sir?
you can see. That's why here when you
Sir?
are. Yeah. I got your question. Here you have to mention that between which week you have done that. If it is a single day, you can also put a single day. For example, I have performed seminar in today, so I can put what is today's date is 5th date, and today is also 5th. So I can put today's date also, and then I will submit. So this is the dates between which you have performed this activity.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes, madam, please.
So nice to see you and with all this E Logbook. If we have some competitor, we do some checklist, or maybe for OSCE we have a checklist or some scoring sheets, etc. So also doing this or some comments, maybe at feedback we want to give student.
Madam, I will just repeat your question because in between I was not able to hear. So you are asking that you want to put a score of OSCE checklist. Am I right?
Yeah, OSCE checklist or any other checklist or a score sheet
Yes. So
or
that score, madam.
maybe at the end of the exam or something, some feedback.
So madam, there that you can put it here. So when I'm selecting this, you can see, sorry. You can see that at the end there is this is a remark button. So here you can write your scoring and everything. This is the blank. For example, let me add again. Because in few of the subject it is mentioned, you are right, that you have to grade the seminar. So let me again, sorry. Once when I have presented, I will write this once and I will put today's date. For example, I have presented today. Okay, and so these I have submitted. Now on the teacher side, if you want to score, as here you can write a score. So my score has been recorded. Now I think
Okay.
your second question was regarding OSPI. So if you are taking an OSPI, madam, there is a specific tool available here, which is known as virtual OSPI. See, even student can do that also.
Okay.
So here we can write step 1. So he has to select the step. So in second step, I'm just putting random.
We have to feed the OSCE, no? All
Yes,
the
faculty has to.
OSCE details to feed it as a teacher.
Madam, your voice
Okay.
is cracking.
Oh, I'm sorry. So we have to prepare the OSCE and feed, no? Feed, we have to feed all
Yes,
the things.
yes, madam. On from teacher side, you have to feed it. But if you don't want to feed it
So
here,
will be, hmm,
you can
yeah.
definitely upload it in offline mark, because you have taken it in your lab and you want to upload mark here. You can just put it in offline mark.
Okay. So are we saying, sir, that I'm not aware that is this E Logbook applicable to all the Gujarat medical colleges, PGs?
Everywhere in
I mean,
India, madam.
it is applicable to all over India, but this is the platform which is used by us, madam. So basically, this training is for the training how to use it. So this is we have purchased. So if you want, you can also get it from the by the developer.
Acha, we have to buy from the developer. Okay.
This is we have purchased, and
Okay, what's the, so then we'll ask what's the cost and all.
I will be not a correct person to answer that, madam. So I have shared the link and number in the chat box, madam. The person from whom we have.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Okay.
But
Now, any
M4 says that you are the one.
yeah, any PG student or any PG teacher has any question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I am from Bagalkot, SN Medical College. My
Yes,
postgraduate
madam.
have joined 6 to 8 months back. So if they at all have to start, they will start in from next future dates, isn't it, sir?
Madam, what you can do, the same question is there with us also. So here, when you are adding, you can add a previous date. For example, they came in the January, for example. I'm putting January. So they can put it like this. Are you getting?
They can enter by putting the backdated entry, sir.
Yes. You can put it like this, sir.
Okay, whatever their written logbook is there now, from
Hmm.
there they enter the things in here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So they have to write it from backlog from when they have started.
Madam,
Yes,
whenever we start, so from their course, when it begins from there only, they have to enter, madam, all the things.
Okay, okay,
Some of the things backdated, they have to enter.
okay, sir.
Okay, then if we don't have any query, we can call for the day, and we'll be sharing the recording also of the same on our GMC Bhavnagar YouTube channel.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, it is
Any
better
questions?
Sir, thank you so much. It was very good. But better you if you share the video. I mean, the thing how we have to do it so that our PGs can learn better.
Sure,
Madam,
sure, sure.
I have one, madam. I'll share you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much, sir. It was very nice demo.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Sir,
Sir,
uh,
is there any other portal for this other than M course?
Other than M course, what you can use is Microsoft Excel.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I am head of the department. My PGs have joined with me only in this call. So
Yes, yes,
they
I can see
also
that.
can
Madam.
get
Yes.
a certificate.
Okay, that madam, you write to me personally in the WhatsApp. I will just look into it, madam.
Okay,
I
sir.
can see all of they are there since beginning. I know that.
Yeah, yeah. So they're eagerly, they want the certificate also, so that they'll be boosted.
Yes. Yeah, sure, madam. Sure, sure.
So will you
So
please
wait for everybody wait for a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Let me share a feedback form so we can have a detail of each and every person who has attended. So we can send a certificate. Otherwise, it is difficult for us to get the details. So wait for a few seconds. I will share the feedback link. So what I request, madam, that feedback link. So all of you, please share this feedback link. Okay, so madam, you can pass out this feedback link to everyone. So we will close this feedback link by 5 o'clock. Okay, before that, please fill this.
So already
Okay, ma'am.
saying time over, sir. The feedback form is saying it is already time over.
Oh, just a second. Sir, can you try again?
The link which is there in chat box, na sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Try again. I will make it.
Yes,
Made
sir.
it
Now it is open, sir.
opening. Okay, okay. So those who have joined from one place can update this feedback link. Because the rest are already registered, so their mail ID is there with us. So if you know any query, we can close the session.